welcome to The Reluctant Chef. I'm Sue Moulton, your Pampered Chef Consultant, and today we're going to show you a new accessory that is coming out for the air fryer. Now our party starts in a few days, but I had to come live a little early because I'm so excited about making these. These are fruit leathers, so kind of like a fruit roll-up. They come with 3 trays and you can use them in your air fryer on the dehydrate button. But if you don't own an air fryer, you can also get them and use them in your traditional oven. So let me tell you how it works. You're gonna stick some fruit. So I'm using just a bag of mixed fruit, but you can use just blueberries or strawberries, pineapple, whatever type of fruit leather you wanna use. You're gonna put it in your Deluxe Cooking Blender and you're gonna puree it until it's nice and smooth. Now, you might wanna sneak a little pea protein in for your family so that they have a little bit of protein and not just all, natural sugars. So you're going to puree this, get that going really well. Then you're going to put a tablespoon per well in here. You don't want to put too much in. You don't want to overfill it. You're going to tap it down on the counter so that it doesn't get, so that should be done. So you want to tap it down so it doesn't get, bubbles in it. And then you're just going to stick it in your dehydrator and turn it on and it depends on what you're dehydrating. So you got to check the chart and I'll post recipes for that. But phenomenal, fun for your kids. You're gonna put it between maybe wax paper or parchment paper and roll it up just like you see. And the wells are all silicone and easy to pull out. You'll know they're done when they're not tacky to the touch. So you'll be able to just roll them right up. So that is another new tool that you guys are gonna see. I can't wait to show you all the new spring product line. So make sure that you guys tune in and I will see you in just a couple days. Have a great evening.